Hey y'all, wanted to come to you today. Today is the 21st of December, 2019, and I've got a short little video that I'm going to share with you. Got some things here that I have bought for the boat, and I'm going to explain that a little bit later in the video. But I wanted to let you know the reason why I haven't put out a video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to show you something that you guys just ain't going to believe. It's just, oh my God moment. So, hey, enjoy this little video. Then we're going to open these boxes and see what I got. And then I'm going to tell you why I haven't been posting and what's going to happen to me the last day of this year. So, stay tuned. Hey, good morning, all. We're going to try to take his poop tank out. Let's see if I can at least videotape it. There's really no good way to film this. There's just not enough room. So, that's the tank. We're going to take that fitting off there, that fitting off there, get rid of this blower, get rid of some of this stuff so we can get to the wiring and get it out of here. Alright, we'll be back in a bit. Alright. Well, there it is. And that's where it came from, right there. I had to just go ahead and cut those pipes, those hoses. There was 4 hoses on it. And one was the vent, which is this one right here. This was the inlet right here. And then this one here is what went on this motor. I think it's called a macerator pump that pumps right out the side. I'll be doing away with that because I don't put nothing in the water. I'm not going to put any poop in the water. That's just not right, so I'm not going to do it. I'll just have it pumped out, and I may get a bigger tank too. So, you know, we're going to make this simple. Okay, well that's out. Now I got to get all this wiring out of here because I'm rewiring the whole boat. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, this is what I am planning to do here. There's a steering cable right there, the one with the big nut on it. I want to take that out. It goes right there, through that little opening, and then down off in there. And then, once we get there, I got to come through the boat into the back cabin. Off into this back hole here, where I have to lay down. Then that cable goes through that hole right there, goes all the way through there, and then up into there, which is in the head. The steering goes up through the head and then to the helm station. So once we get it all pulled into here, which this is what this cable is right here, I'm going to go up there and see if I can't pull it out a little bit, get it all straight again. But if you can look right there, they got it siliconed really, really well. So I'm going to have to pull it through that silicone. So let's go to the head now, behind the helm station. Okay, now this is the inside of the head. Bathroom. I got my solar light up there. It really lights up the whole bathroom. This is the back of the helm station. This here is the steering cable. Which it seems like it's pulling pretty easy. Until it stops right there. So now I'm going to have to get down and start start getting it out. I'll be back. Hey guys, just a quick little video here. I wanted to show you this. This is the step that comes down in the boat, and what's in the step is the pump. This is the pump for the drain for the shower, and I'm trying to figure out how I need to hook it up to turn it on, and I think you do it from the helm station. And then this here, I'm not sure why that's in there. This black hose right here goes down to the seacock down there, and that's what lets water in the toilet. But you don't need this pump to do it. There's a T down here that's got a clear line that goes all the way to the back of the boat, and I'm not sure why they have that in there. It's not supposed to be in there. So I need some help. Why do they have a line going all the way to the back of the boat? Let me know. See, there's a switch right here inside the head, and it has a shower emblem on it. I don't know if that turns the water on to the shower or turns the drain on. I think it turns the drain on. So when you're in here, you can flip that button, all the water gets sucked out. So I need to figure out how I can hook this switch up to that pump, which it was hooked up before, but I cut the wires because I had to get the main wires out of it. Here's the back side of the helm. I'm redoing all the wiring in it, and it's going fairly well. I got everything hooked up, which is fairly easy. Hey guys, thanks for staying with me through this video and throughout the year. Got some things I want to show you that I've been buying for the boat. This item right here, I'm trying to pick it up. It's the windows. The two windows that goes up front. I got them made, and it really wasn't bad. It was $52 a piece, and they aren't tempered. So if they do break, they just shatter. And so yeah, I'm glad I got these. They're not tinted though. I didn't want them tinted. I wanted as much light as I can get in it, because I am going to put a cover on the outside and the inside when not in use. So I got that. Can't put them on until later, and I think I'm going to use butyl tape to go around them and secure them to the fiberglass. Got some cups here because I found out this is really good for. These are red Solo cups. They're good for mixing fiberglass in, and I'm going to be doing a crap load of it this summer. This item here, and the reason I'm coming to you today, the 21st day of December, is big news. I finally own this boat, this trailer. I just got the title for the trailer. So the boat's in my name, trailer's in my name, and now I can tell the story. And it's probably going to be over 2 videos, 3 videos, because it's such a long story. And I get to talk about the asshole that I had to deal with to get this. Took a little over a year to get the boat. But it's mine now. So I'm excited about that. Got it in today. The next thing is I also got this in today through Amazon. And what it is, I already opened it, but I want to open it again. It is a black O-ring that goes for the fuel tank. And they're special. They have 5 holes in them. And if I ordered it through a marine place, locally, it was $14 for that one little seal. No bolts or anything, just a seal. Got this off of Amazon from a marine guy. only cost me 10 bucks. So I'm going to order another one just to have a spare, but it comes with the bolts also. And I'm going to talk about why I got this, because I wanted to drain the fuel out of the tank and do a bunch of that stuff. So we'll get into that later in a later video. Now, let's see what else we got here. I got this here a couple weeks back. Two things, and this is just a light, a courtesy light. I've got one in the steps and two in the back. Not bad. 7 bucks. If I would have ordered it from the main company, oh, it would have cost me a fortune. So I'm glad I got that. The next thing is a little bitty lens that goes on the very back of the boat. Extremely expensive if I would have bought it from the company that makes them, but got it through a second hand, and it's perfect, and it was cheap. And it's the same product, the same part number. So, we'll put that to the side. And then this bag of stuff, let me show you this. I don't think I do, but I went to Harbor Freight, just picked up some brushes, super cheap, some shrink tubes, some small brushes for the small holes and stuff like that, some scrapers that I got, gloves, little rubber gloves, and just some more heat shrinks and stuff like that. I'm going to start buying some things for this winter and build some stuff up, and then this summer we'll just be able to crank on it, start doing some of this stuff. This box, though, is the big thing. It took forever to get this, and what it is a port light. And it's so pretty, it's unbelievable. Oh, look at that thing. Ain't it beautiful? And I got it clear because they have curtains on the inside, and I'm going to plan on putting covers on the outside also. But they work great, and these things are not cheap. I didn't get them straight from the company because you can't order straight from the company, but I got them through another distributor, and boy, it just took forever. When I first ordered it, they sent me an angled one, and I got it within a couple days, and I thought, man, this is cool. But then it was wrong, so I had to send it back, get a credit on it, and the guy I worked with, and I'll tell you who that is when I install it, but worked with me really good, and it was just the company was so slow who makes these down in Florida. But the old one that I have, if you can see, this has holes in it up here, which is good, but my outer ring doesn't have any holes, and I can't figure out why. So when I put this in the boat and put this outer ring on it, I think I'm just going to have to drill through the holes. And I'm thinking that they're going to match up with the holes that I already have in the boat. So hopefully it'll be an easy install. But we're going to do a video just on that by itself. There's one other thing that I got, and I don't have it with me. It's in another bag. But is a windshield support. And I'll show you this one. This windshield support right here, I bought one for over there. And if I ordered them straight from the company up in New England, it was $110 for just that one right there. I ordered the exact same part number off of Amazon for 17 bucks, which I thought was awesome. Well, this is the big thing that I wanted to talk to you about. My back. Back is 100% now. It's all better. It cost me $2,000 for one shot in the lower back, in between the vertebrae, and it's amazing how that one shot could just make it all better. But my birthday was November 13th, and November 12th, I'm sitting in my house and getting ready to eat, and took a bite out of a sandwich and broke my teeth. And to make a long story short, I had a 4-tooth bridge here, and the 2 outer teeth that was glued on, they just busted off. But I'd had them for over 30 years. So, yeah, they broke off. So, I'm 54 years old. I've had them that long. I haven't had good teeth at all my whole life. So, the last day of the year, December 31st at 1 o'clock, I'm going in and they're going to pull 9 teeth, and I'm going to get a top denture. But when they pull those 9 teeth, they're going to stick 4 implants up there, and that's what's going to happen on New Year's Eve to me. So I haven't felt very well since I broke these off. I do have a partial in there, and the dentist did a great job, but these pulling these 9 teeth and putting 4 implants on it is going to cost me my down payment for my motor. Putting 4 implants in, pulling 9 teeth is $10,022. So that's my down payment on my motor. So that's why I haven't been making any videos. But now that I own the boat and I got the title and I can talk about it, I'm going to tell you some things that's just going to seriously piss you off. It's going to make you want to call this company. It's not all bad, though. I've got some good news in there, too. Some good people that I worked with, but it's just unbelievable how I found this boat, how I got this boat, what it costs for this boat, and what I've done so far. I have been working on it, doing a lot of electrical work here, and just got a really good gift card, Amazon gift card from my daughter for Christmas, and we're going to be buying a whole bunch of stuff and start working on the boat again. Like I said, it is the 21st of December, and unfortunately, it's like 50 degrees now. It's supposed to be 60 on Monday, so who knew? For the last part of December, it's pretty cool. So, but it doesn't matter. I've got my electricity hooked up, shore power hooked up to my garage, and I've actually got heat down in the cabin area, so I can actually work and do run the wires and things like that, and hook things up and put new switches in, and so I'm really looking forward to that. But it probably won't be until the 2nd, 3rd week of January, because that first week of January, I imagine is going to be a killer for me. I'm going to be pretty much drugged up and not feeling no pain. So just say a prayer that it all goes well. And but I want to thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me. The subscribers are going up a little bit. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up and make a comment. Once we get up and rolling with this stuff, I'm going to need your guys' help doing some things. Just have a ton of questions. But been watching a lot of videos here lately, and I've got a couple of New Year's resolutions I'm going to do. It's going to be pretty drastic. It's something I'm feeling really good about. But stay with me, all right? We love you guys, and appreciate y'all being here, and we'll see you soon.